Hello everyone, this is Enbon LED display. Today we bring you Enbon's rental product R5 model. Currently what we see here is the outdoor P2.6 R5 product, which is IP65, waterproof and dustproof. Besides, our workshop is also producing the indoor 1.9 product, which is IP45. For this product, we have adopted the curved solution design. In addition, the R5 model also has strange solution 90 degrees design solution and flexible solution designs. The R5 curved solution can be spliced with the strange solution 90 degrees design solution and flexible solution designs, supporting more shapes. Please look this way. This product uses a Hardlink method, and the signal adopts a dual interface method. This product supports front and rear materials and is equipped with magnetic module, making maintenance more convenient and easy. This product is now in mass production at Enbon. If you want to know any information about it, please contact us immediately. Have a good day.